Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process of getting started with the 25k challenge, from signing up to getting your trading account fully set up and ready to go. Let's dive in. Once you've received a referral link from a current AkashX member, simply click the Join Now button. Here, you'll find the option to get your 25k challenge started. Click Join Now to proceed. You'll be prompted to choose whether you want to become a customer or an affiliate. If you're looking to just trade, go with the customer option. However, becoming an affiliate allows you to earn additional income by sharing the platform with others. Before selecting Become an Affiliate, take a moment to read the important notice on this page. This ensures you understand the requirements for participating in the 25k challenge, including signing up for a prop account, which is crucial for moving forward. If you choose to become an affiliate, enter your details and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up. This process will also require you to provide payment information, so be prepared to input your card details securely. Check the boxes and confirm that your enroller is correct before moving forward. Then, click Complete Purchase. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive an email with your login credentials. Use these credentials to access your back office, where you can manage your account and begin the 25k challenge. Remember to check your spam folder if the email doesn't appear right away. The next step is to set up your TradeXMastery account with the same information you just used to sign up for AkashX. Go to prop.tradexmastery.com/signup and use the same email address as before. The TradeXMastery email will arrive. Remember to check your spam folder if you do not see it. This process can take up to 3 to 5 days to receive. If you are having issues, reach out to TradeXMastery support for help. Complete the TradeXMastery sign-up process to move forward. Now, let's head back to our AkashX back office and complete our getting started process while we wait for the TradeXMastery email to arrive. Agree to the disclaimer, put in your full name and sign in the box below. Now, we wait for our Trade Locker credentials email from TradeXMastery. Remember, this email may take up to 3 to 5 days to arrive. Click Go to Trade Locker. Then copy and paste each of the details from the email in the correct boxes on TradeLocker. Make sure to double check they are correct. Your TradeLocker should now be connected to your TradeXMastery account. Congratulations! The final step is to connect your TradeXMastery account with your TradeLocker attached to it to your AkashX account. Let's go over that now. Go back to the credentials email from TradeXMastery and copy the email, trader's password, and make sure TradeLocker is selected at the top. Make sure your broker is TradeXMastery and the server is the challenge account. With your accounts connected, you're almost ready to start trading. Ensure all information is accurate and wait for the final confirmation email. Once you receive it, log in. From here, you can start using the Tap to Trade feature and begin your trading journey. Here is where your affiliate link can be found, so you can refer 3 others to AkashX and get your membership completely free. As you get familiar with the platform, explore features like Tap to Trade, live sessions, and trade alerts. These tools are designed to help you navigate the challenge successfully and make informed trading decisions. That's it. You've successfully completed the setup process. Now you can focus on trading and achieving your goals with the 25k challenge. Remember, if you need further assistance, resources are available through the community and support channels. You can also download the AkashX app and TradeLocker app on your smartphone to take your trading and Tap to Trade alerts on the go. Best of luck on your trading journey.